Assalamu alaikum dear students, as you requested I teach you math classes, so let's start with the name of Allah. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Our first class is about real number. Before explaining the real number, we need to understand the subset of real numbers. There are five subsets within the set of real numbers: natural counting numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Let's look at each of them. The first subset of real numbers is the set of natural numbers, also called countable numbers. Consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on elements, represented with a capital letter N. The set of whole number includes all the elements of the natural number, adding only 0 like 0 and the natural numbers. The set of whole number is presented with capital letter W. The set of integers includes all the elements of the set of the whole numbers and the opposite or negative of all of the elements. The elements of the integers are negative number and the whole numbers. The set of integers is presented by a capital letter set. The set of rational number includes all numbers that can be written as a fraction or ratio of number. However, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. X slash y. In it, x and y are integers, but y isn't equal to 0. The sample of rational number is q. The rational number can also be expressed in a decimal form, like in the form of repeating or terminating decimals. Let's see the example of terminating decimals. 4 divided by 8 equal to 0.5. 5 divided by 2 equal to 2.5. 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. Now you can see the example of repeating decimals. 8 slash 6 equal to 1 point, repeating number. 3. 1 slash 9 equal to 0.1, a repeating decimal. Irrational number is a number that cannot be written as a ratio of two numbers. There is really no standard symbol for representing set of irrational number, but you may experience one of the following: R oblique Q, or real number minus rational number. One of the example of irrational is pi. The approximate value of pi is 22 slash 7 is equal to 3.142 and so on. And the second example of irrational numbers are square root 2, square root 5, square root 7. Real number system is all of the rational and all of the irrational number in a one group. The sum of real number is denoted by the symbol R. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. And finally, I want to end my topic with just one prayer that Allah Ta'ala protect us from the evil of Shaitan. Assalamu alaikum and fi amanillah.